pictures.
We're gonna be in the movies.
Look at the shakes. Look.
God, I know it's coming. That's so sexy.
If you don't get the damn head up here, you're not gonna have one.
What's this?
Ignore them, I am.
Oh. Hey, my fucking camera went out.
Good.
We double clicked it that time.
I'm not done. I just gotta do the neck.
Baby.
I gotta fix your neck.
Baby. Come here.
Okay.
I'm busy.
What a fucking time for the power to go out and stay out. And Charlie go to work in the morning. What happened, Charlie? The barber said he didn't have enough money, so he only shaved half of it.
Oh shit. I am not there now.
Why didn't you shave your neck instead of your chest?
Huh?
Why didn't you shave your neck instead of your chest?
I don't know. Look at her on the floor.
I know.
Been up there for a week.